Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make classic Victoria sponge. It's so light and perfect for summer. So let's get started. In a big bowl you will add your butter and sugar and you will cream them using a hand mixer for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Now our butter and sugar mixture is nice and creamy and we'll add our eggs. Now you will mix this using your hand mixer until everything is well combined. Now it's time to add your flour, milk and baking powder. Using your mixer, you will mix this for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything is well incorporated. Now our mixture is ready. Using your spatula, you will scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure that everything is well combined. Now our mixture is ready to go in our tins. Now it's time to prepare our tins. You will grease your tins using butter or a cooking spray. Then you will put some parchment paper on the bottom of each cake tin. Now it's time to put your batter in your tins. Split the mixture in two and make sure that it's divided evenly. Using a spatula, smooth out the top of the mixture to make sure that it will bake evenly. Now our cakes are ready to go into the oven. We'll bake this for about 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Our cakes have been cooling for about half an hour now and it's time to assemble. I will take one of the sponges and put it in the middle of a plate. I will take some whipped cream that I made before. Now put some on the round of each cake. Now I'll put some strawberry jam into the middle and level it out. It's time to put our next sponge on top. Now we'll decorate the cake with some more fresh cream and some fresh strawberries. Now I'll decorate the top with some more fresh strawberries. Our cake is ready and it looks amazing. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.